Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So today we are going to be doing a contouring and highlighting video especially for beginners. And before we get started, please make sure that you guys are subscribed and ring the bell. So let's go ahead and get into this video. I like to start with highlighting, and I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape. You want to use a shade that is 2 or 3 shades lighter than your foundation shade. And first I'm taking this and applying it in an upside down triangle under my eyes and the sides of my nose, between my brows, and then down the bridge of my nose and my chin and the sides of my mouth. Next, I'm gonna add the contour with Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. For this, you can use a concealer or any cream product that is a couple of shades darker than your foundation. So contouring is very important because that's what's going to slim down your face and add some shadow and dimension. So I first take the contour shade under my cheekbones, and then the sides of my forehead, and then the sharp edge of my jawbone. I have a square face shape, so contouring the sharp edges of my face makes it look a bit more round and not like a box. Then I go on the sides of my nose between where I put the concealer. And when I start blending, I always use a pressing motion because you don't want to move it too up or down from where you have placed it. And then I blend out the highlighted parts, again pressing it onto the skin. For the nose contour, I first blend in the sides of the nose and leave them to be a bit dark, and then go on top of that with the sponge that has a little bit of concealer left. And a little tip, if you feel like you have too much contour, you can use the sponge you use to blend your concealer and go on top of the contour, and this will soften it up. Next, you do want to set the cream base. For this, you can use a loose setting powder or a light pressed face powder. I'm using the Coty Airspun powder, and I'm gonna bake under my eyes, under my contour, and wherever I have used concealer. Then next, to set the contour, I'm using a mix of Rimmel bronzer and the Kiko face palette's darkest shade, and I'm using an angled brush and I'm pressing it onto my skin. Once that's done, I dust off the bake and I put some highlighter on my cheeks and the bridge of my nose, and then for the final step, I use some setting spray to set my face. I know this was a lot of steps, but this is the full contour and highlight routine. It's not a must that you do this every day, so you can do the full thing or you can make it into your own way and do whatever works for you. So this is the final look. Hope you guys find it helpful, and please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.